Hello guys, today we have received this rolling grilling baskets. We're going to go ahead and unbox it and I'm going to show you what comes inside. So we're going to get this rolling basket. Inside this basket we're going to get another rolling basket, okay, a smaller one. And inside we're going to get some accessories, okay. The accessories that come with your rolling baskets are going to be two wooden handles with their proper nuts, okay. And then two forks right here. Okay, and then two of the hooks. These hooks are gonna help whenever you have the rolling basket in the grill and you just wanna, get them off. You're gonna use this to open, the rolling basket. So now let's go ahead and put some of this habaneros inside this rolling basket. And we're gonna close this. And why not? We're gonna use the other one as well. So we have, the habaneros inside the rolling basket. So now what we're gonna do, you can definitely put any type of vegetables in here and you can grill them. So I'm gonna go ahead and, put them inside the grill, just like this, okay? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna continue rolling this, until everything is fully cooked. You can definitely also use this forks to actually be turning this around. In the meantime, the habaneros are being cooked. I'm gonna just let you know that these rolling baskets are rust proof. They're reusable. They are super sturdy and they have a large capacity, okay? And you can just wash them, by hand or also on the machine washer. Okay, so our habaneros are ready for our salsa. So we're gonna go ahead and get them out of here. We're gonna use this hook right here to open the lid. All right, I'm gonna bring this over here and just dump them in our plate. We're gonna get the other one. There you go, guys. So our habaneros are very ready for our salsa. I hope that the information about this rolling baskets was very useful. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you on the next video.